Your DoorDash Dasher profile picture serves three critical purposes: identity verification, building customer trust, and maintaining platform integrity. Let's explore the requirements and methods for updating your profile picture. First, let's cover the technical requirements. Your photo must be in JPEG or PNG format with a minimum size of 600 by 600 pixels and a maximum file size of 10 megabytes. Ensure the image is clear and high resolution. For content requirements, your photo must show your face clearly with good lighting and a neutral background. Take a recent photo within the last 30 days, avoid sunglasses or hats, and ensure it's a solo photo with no other people visible. The first method is through the Dasher app. Open the app, tap your profile icon, select Account Settings, then tap on your current profile picture. You can either take a new photo or upload from your gallery, then crop the image and submit for review. Alternatively, you can use the web portal method. Visit dasher.doordash.com, log into your account, navigate to Account Settings, click on the Profile Picture section, upload your new image, crop it as needed, and save your changes. Remember these key points. Use a clear, recent photo with good lighting, follow the technical specifications, choose either the app or web portal method, and crop your image carefully before submitting for review. After submitting your new profile picture, DoorDash begins a two-stage review process that typically takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. You'll receive notifications through both email and the Dasher app, informing you whether your photo has been approved or if it needs to be resubmitted. If your photo gets rejected, here are the most common issues and their solutions. The three most common problems are file size issues, poor image quality, and unsupported file formats. For mobile users, make sure to grant the necessary permissions. iOS users need camera and photo library access, while Android users should ensure storage permissions are enabled. Looking toward the future, DoorDash is implementing several advanced technologies to enhance security and user experience. Enhanced biometric authentication is being integrated, including facial recognition technology and various other biometric methods for improved security. Augmented reality integration is being explored to help users position their photos optimally, ensuring better compliance with requirements. Blockchain-based identity verification is also being considered for enhanced privacy and security in the digital identity management process. Remember that maintaining a professional, updated profile picture can positively impact your customer ratings and potentially increase your tips by an average of 12%.